Hello, is that speciality? You want me to ride around Seoul on a skateboard? Okay. Since I've moved into my room, I've not had blinds or a curtain on the windows. So I used the bedsheet to block out the light with a bit of cardboard, and it worked well. I have slept a little bit better, like an extra hour, makes all the difference. But today I'm on my way to the textiles market next to Dongdaemun to find some black cloth to make a makeshift curtain. And I'm skating now with Wow Such Tom. We're going down the Cheonggyecheon stream. We're gonna go through Dongdaemun market and head to the textiles market, oh god, which is next to the Hanbok gate. So there's some beautiful views to come, and in the comment section just write something. Write how you're feeling, write what you want to see in Seoul, what your favorite food is, write anything, and maybe I'll answer the call to you and reply to your comment. Straight in front of us is the Hanbok gate. That's one of 8 gates in Seoul. And where all these motorbikes are, the textiles market is inside here. I have lots of carpets here. VIP carpets. Oh, that's nice. Hanguk Somyul. We're gonna have a wander around and find a piece of cloth to make a curtain. 이거 얼마예요?
6,000원. 1 yard.
To make life easier, I've literally found the first place that has black cloth, and I'm just going to buy that. I don't want to spend all day looking at textiles and cloth.
Show the camera your cute drawing.
That's it, yeah.
Look how adorable this is.
어떤 걸로 할 건데?
이거.
네, 이거 좋아. 이걸로 돼? 148cm?
네, 센티미터.
네. 리틀?
Tape, how do you say tape measure? 잠시만요.
이게 90이거든? 8, 90.
아, 네.
맞아요.
저도
This is
이거
inches
진짜예요?
though. Oh, you got centimeter?
100, 148. 100, 148. 두마 해, 두마.
이렇게
그래.
이거
두마. 이거는 돼.
아.
이거 150. 50,
150,
50 센치. 50.
150. 아.
그러니까 이거 돼. 두마.
얼마야?
피아도. 12,000원.
12,000원?
응.
Okay. Nice. I like the pattern.
세트. 응.
Yeah, it's like flowers or something.
네.
Or do I want this or I just want black? Or maybe just black. I don't know. That's a bit see-through. Oh yeah, this one because that you can't see through that.
이게
Oh, 주세요.
네.
Right.
영...
서울시에서 살아요?
서울시에서 살아요.
저는 상수동에서 살아요.
어디?
상수.
어?
홍대?
어디? 홍대?
옆에 상수.
아, 상수동?
상수동 맞아요.
알아. 아니,
제 친구 같이 살아요.
아, 그래요?
응.
나 알아. 그렇구나. 상수동.
I thought she was gonna like cut it on a machine. She's just ripping it to shreds. So this is my curtain. Nice.
어디 사람이야?
영국 사람.
영국. 잉글랜드. 나 가봤어.
아,
가봤어요?
어디야?
템스강.
아, 템스?
템스강.
런던?
우와. Fish and chips 먹었어요?
예.
아,
Fish and chips?
칩스?
칩스.
먹는 거?
잠깐만요.
Asking if she had some fish and chips.
이거.
이런 거 먹었어.
먹었어요?
그럼
좋아해요?
먹지. 맛있지.
맛있어요.
맛있지.
감사합니다.
맛있어.
안녕하세요.
이거
안녕하세요.
봉지.
감사합니다. Let's take a selfie here. Watch out.
네.
버킹항공 뭐.
Selfie.
Selfie.
사진 같이 주세요.
영국?
영국.
잉글랜드.
네, 잉글랜드.
어디세요? 네. 아니야 어디? 네? 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
어디? We're going to ask if we can leave our skateboards here whilst we walk around the market.
감사합니다.
20분.
괜찮아요?
네,
감사합니다. 이모 감사합니다.
예.
So we could be in and out because we've already bought the curtain, but we're going to take a little exploration around here because I've never been. Tom, you ever been here before?
I've only very briefly came here. Isn't this when we went to the rooftop around here?
No, that's Guangchang. That's the market where we were before.
I see. No, I haven't been here.
So all the markets are very close to each other, and we're now heading under the ground to the basement section.
Oh, wow.
Look at this.
This is textile land. Forget Disneyland. Textile land is where it's at. Oh,
Wow.
yeah. Look at this. All the textiles in the world.
Oh, mate, look how far it goes down there.
Grandma would love this place.
Each part of the market sells different things. No idea what this is, but this section is full of these. Comment below if you know anything about textiles or what this is.
Oh, you use these on a sewing machine. You
just for a sewing machine?
put them on the machine to sew.
So apparently, according to Tom, this goes on a sewing
They're
machine.
called spuns. A spun.
Spun polyester. This is the aisle of spun
So
polyester.
polyester is like the material.
And then down on the left, there's ribbons and sheets and stuff like that. At the end of here is all the knitwear, and upstairs was the cloths. So here's some more spun polyester.
Look at this. This is good. I think this is if something goes wrong.
If there's a fire down here, they have all the fire equipment gear. So the wellies, the axes, the hammers, the helmets.
Anything if you want to go to space.
Yeah. All this could be for space, according to Tom. I've thought of something else I can do whilst I'm in the textiles market. My plan with the cloth is to hang it on either side of the hooks. So I've got a hook on the left and on the right. But instead of just cutting a hole myself, it'd be nice to have like a tailor's hole that had some metal around it or some support, so I could just like put it on, take it off without ripping the material. So I'm going to try do that. Let's get a... Oh.
Didn't even realise it was behind me.
We get the pen and paper out of my bag and I'll draw it down and say, Igo chuseyo, iroke chuseyo. Always prepared, always carry around a notebook. No pen?
No pen.
But no pen.
There's no pen.
Right, brilliant.
잠깐만요. 감사합니다.
제 창문 여기. 아 맞아. 이렇게.
네네네네.
Perfect. Yeah.
네.
이거 하나 여기 하나
네.
저기.
네.
얼마예요?
요것만 만들지 않고 요것만 뚫어주면 돼요 지금?
이거는.
아 이거 조그만 걸로? 요걸로요?
3.1? 오케이.
이건가? 이건가? 그러니까 이렇게 길게
이건가?
아니면 이렇게
이렇게.
여기 하나 거기 하나 이렇게? 여기.
Okay. I wonder how she's going to do this. Machine으로 해요? 어떻게 해요?
뻥 뚫어야죠 뻥.
Oh, she's gonna bong it.
no.
We were just literally stood there like idiots, clueless, looking around, and she came up and said, "Do you need help, boys?" We're like, "Yes, we need lots of help. All the help. If you can help us, like, come to my house and clean it. If you can put the curtains up for me as well, that would be great. And give me a tea." Hopefully we can show you the machine when she does the bung and see how that happens. We're gonna follow our new friend. We're gonna go to the machine and make a hole in the cloth. And we're walking down here, this long corridor full of textiles. 안녕하세요. 이거 주세요.
요걸로.
So this guy's gonna do the dong.
아, 그 사진을 찍고 싶으셨구나. 거기?
네.
This?
Just gonna bang it. Nice.
난 가요.
수산하고 스포티지가 디자인도 그렇게 이쁘게 나오고 이런 사람들이 아무 생각 없이 하기에는 가격도 그렇고 그냥 출퇴근하고 용도 없고 그냥 주행거리 짧고 그럴 때는 이거만큼 좋은 차가 없다라는 거죠. 지프 레니게이드도 여기에 넣는 게 딱 맞아요. 옛날에 이 차가 잭나이프가 되네.
오케이. 잘했어요. 감사합니다. 나이스.
유튜버?
아 유튜버. 맞아요.
유튜버 맞아요?
구독해주세요.
오 예.
감사합니다.
땡큐.
주말에 잘 보내요. Before we leave,
Yes. We need to get our skateboards.
we need our skateboards. We should also
Find where they are.
find where they are, yeah.
Because we don't know where they are.
And I would like to show
Yeah.
the kind old lady what we did with
Yeah.
the material
Ah.
and show the holes in it. So let's go do that. We'll make her proud. 이렇게 했어요.
오케이.
벌써 했어?
이렇게 박아야지 이렇게.
Yeah, he said we should fold it.
이것도 저 거기서 요거 하는데 박아달래요.
네네.
요건 안 박으세요. 요건 안 풀리니까.
네.
요건 박아야 돼.
우리 친구 할 수 있어요. 감사합니다. 감사합니다.
안녕히 계세요.
Now, mate, let's go eat a delicious burger. We're going to show you our favorite burger in Seoul, and then we're going to skate home and put up the curtains and show you the finished product. let's open this burger up and have a look how delicious it is. So we've got the bun, some lettuce, some onion, tomato, some fake cheese, and 2 patties, and some burger sauce. And the good thing about no brand is the chips are real thick potato chips. Watch this. Delicious. What did you get? You just ignore me, that's alright mate, whatever. And this was salmon. That burger was delicious. It really hit the spot. It was actually really good.
Just hit the spot.
Moment of truth. There you go.
What is this? A piece of cardboard?
Yeah.
With an old bed sheet wrapped around it.
Don't judge me, Tom.
No judgment, just
Only God can judge me, and he's not real. You ready? See the little hooks on the...
Yeah.
Oh, f***ing hell, mate.
What?
It's fallen off. For sake. Alright. These are the hooks I'm using. It's just like a plastic hook from Daiso. You get 6 for 1,001.
And you're melting it with a lighter.
And you melt this part here. Very toxic, so don't inhale the fumes. Okay. Alright, whilst that's solidifying to the wall, watch this video when this one finishes. I'll show you like this.
The moment of truth. She didn't measure it very well when she just ripped it with her hand, did she?
For God's sake! So there we go.
You went to the shop, you gave the lady the measurements, and she ripped it with her hands, and it wasn't a size. I'm surprised.
Fucking hell.
148cm?
Yeah,
Centimeter? Liter?
I told her the sizes, she ripped it apart with her hands, and this is what we've ended up with.
It looks quite aesthetic though, but it's just not very useful.
What a waste of time! I can't believe this, mate. I'm gonna get Hannah over. Hannah, please come round. And then just like fold it in half and then sew it in the middle like this.
Ah, that could work.
Right, well that's the end of that. I hope you've enjoyed this textiles video. If you want to see the end result of this working.
Monstrosity? What's it called? Monstrosity? That's it. That's what it's called.
Come on, don't rub it in, mate.
Also, why did you get black curtains for your white room?
Because I don't want any light in here. I want to stay asleep forever.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Alright, well, that's the end of that. If you've enjoyed this, whatever this is,
Adventure.
click the like button, yeah, adventure. Like it, subscribe, and... What did I say yesterday when I get to 100,000 subscribers?
You said 100,000 subscribers, you were going to go to North Korea. You were just going to get a visa to go to North Korea, just like that.
Yeah, so if you subscribe, help me get to 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to go to North Korea. So do that. See you in the next video. Yo!
조심해 난 해적다 나는 굳이 like 북한산 나와 머리 없어 빛나리 우는 쌍덩이 얘는 조던이지
김치 감자청에 쌓이다